Okay, hold on.
You're gonna make it all the way through without me making you laugh again. Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Toss up $3,000 movie quotes.
I'm not even looking at you. Oh my gosh.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
You can't cover your face.
I'm not covering my mouth.
Okay.
So you can see his face.
Honey. No, you're supposed to not. I'm playing a game. You're supposed to not laugh
No.
until I get all the way done saying it.
I'm ready.
Okay. Honey.
I know you're playing
I'm playing my Scrabble game.
There.
You ready?
Yeah.
What are you laughing for? I haven't said anything. You ready? Honey. You're supposed to not smile.
What?
You're supposed to not smile.
Did you make it through it all?
No, all I've gotten out is honey, and you laugh every time. Okay, I'll try to say it
You're gonna
fast.
start as soon as I say it. Go.
Honey, I love you. Let me see you smile. Oh, you made it. Now you gotta say it back. You have to say back. Honey, I love you, but I just can't smile.
Okay.
Honey, I love you. Let me see you smile.
Honey, I love you. I just can't smile.
You just can't stop smiling. It's not laugh, it's smile. Without laughing, you were smiling the whole time.
Okay, let me try on you.
Okay.
I love that. But can you play smile?
Honey, I love you, but I just can't smile. Honey, I love you, but I just can't smile. Honey, I love you, but I just...
I got you on the fourth time through.
Okay, get your serious face on.
That's not. I can do this. Go!
Honey?